we go. 23,141. We got the 3-box artifacts. 24, 25. It's an arty party tonight. And again, ladies and gentlemen, the ice is super close. If you guys want to cap off the night with that one, that would be a fun end of the evening break. And oh my God, what a start. Number 25, Aurum Auto, Mario Lemieux. That is just a filthy way to start the break. My gosh, congrats, Pittsburgh. Jeez. Just smashed it already. We've got number to 499 for LA of Kempe. Number to 35 for Washington of Kemper. Number to 399 for the Maple Leafs of Joseph Wool. Mr. Golden, how you doing tonight, sir? Rookie redemption for the Red Wings. We've got number to 149, Granlund for the Sharks. We have an Aurum Stamkos for Tampa. And I'm going to throw this out there once again, guys. We have a 50-box break of this up there. How that one is not just flying is beyond me. Showdowns of Kuznetsov for the Caps. Showdowns, Washington, Kuznetsov. So imagine 50 boxes of artifacts in one break. And again, if you guys all slowly chip away at those spots, guys, it's gonna go sooner than later. We gotta get it closer to the finish. So if anyone wants to take a chunk in that one, we've got a clear rookie for the Montreal Canadiens, Joshua Waugh. We've got a $6.99 for Nashville, Evangelista. We got a gold sparkle rookie of Dean for the Blues. Gold sparkle Dean for the Blues. We've got a dual rookie jersey to $4.99 for the Devils of Clark. Clark for the Devils. Oh wow, signs of success to 49, Connor Zary. These are beautifully done. Connor Zary. Wow. Again, how a 50 boxer of this is not just utterly flying. 149 for Buffalo of Owen Power. We've got a purple rookie to 25 of Ostapchuk. For Ottawa, Ostapchuk. And we've got number to 999, Bryson. Bryson rookie. All right. Third and final box in the artifacts. Ooh, very sexy. We've got a rookie redemption jersey, emerald patch, number 5. So that'll be a random between everybody in the break. Number 5. We got a $5.99 for Vancouver of Trevor Linden. Dual jersey number to 299 of David Pasternak. $2.99. We've got a sparkle of Tage Thompson for Buffalo. Sparkle. Auto facts for Nashville of Parsonen. We've got a nice double hit pack. $9.99 rookie of Rafai for the Maple Leafs. And a Fedotov clear rookies for Philadelphia. Number 215, Montembeault for Montreal. And we got a $6.99 Joseph Woll for the Maple Leafs. Now time to do the rando for the number 5 jersey patch. 3 times. Top person's going to get it. Wish you guys all the best of luck. 1, 2, 3, Chancellor.